Alright, so this is how you can attempt to get rid of a shadow ban on TikTok. Now, it's not guaranteed to work, but it's worth a try. So what being shadow banned means is essentially your video is not getting the views that you normally get. So if I go to my profile right here, as you can see, my first video got about 500 plays and the next one got 9 plays. Now that could be an indicator that you are shadow banned. So what we can do is click on the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Here we want to scroll all the way down until we see this option, report a problem. And we want to press on it, and essentially we want to contact support. So just click on the top right corner right here, where it's the pen and paper, on the pen and paper icon, top right corner, and then click on the pen and paper again, top right corner. So here you want to tell TikTok something like, I would just like to check that I'm not shadow banned as my videos don't get the views they normally do. Something like that. And it is going to take them from 3 to 5 days to get back to you. But this is what you can do if you are shadow banned and you want to just confirm that everything is good with your account. Just click submit and wait for their response. Thanks for watching. Bye.